today's gonna be a fun day. So Disney invited us to Goofy's Kitchen over here at the Disneyland Hotel. I've actually never been to it, so I'm kind of excited. So there's some character interactions, and then also they're gonna have some specialty food items. I'm very excited to eat. Let's go. I have somebody here today. It's Megan. Little karate BMX, so cute. So I told Megan this is my first time here. She's been coming here for a while with her family.
Since I was 8 years old.
She is very well seasoned when it comes to meeting characters. I'm not. I get very awkward, but it's okay. We're doing this. We're doing this. It'll be great.
I'll translate for you.
Please, thank you. I'm bad at charades. I am horrible at charades.
It takes some time to learn the language.
Hi. A reservation to Eric.
Not gonna lie, you guys look familiar off of TikTok. We post on there a little
We posted,
bit.
yeah. First time, so this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, really, his first time.
Very first time, yeah. Perfect. Thank you. Springtime decorations. That's cool. In the shot.
Oh, we do have Goofy buttons.
Ooh, that's sick.
Buttons?
Goofy's Kitchen. That's super cool.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm ready to get food. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So happy. We got some little claws over here. Got some ribs. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical.
Yeah.
Food is really good. I like it.
Not bad so far?
No, this is good.
Good.
Got some couscous, got some salad,
I really like the couscous.
mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
I'm very happy. This is so good. Prime rib.
Hi, Chip.
Hi, Chip. Hello. How are you?
Your little bee outfit. You look so cute.
You look so good.
You're a little bumblebee.
Look at you.
We gotta get you a flower.
Yeah. I love the vest and the bow tie. The big bow tie is so good.
You're a little dapper bee.
Very dapper. Thank you. Yay.
I got my Italy ears on today.
Yes.
That was good.
All right, on to plate number 2. Whoa! Coconut rice, pineapple coconut curry, honey glazed carrots. Get 2 of these. Let's get the saffron. Second plate. Salmon is really good. Oh, that's really good.
You're a good helper now.
You're a very good helper. Very good helper.
I don't know sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
That's okay, you have him.
He tries. The lights are on, but no one's home. That's why you're here.
That's why you're here. Yeah, exactly. That's a lot of work, yes. Yeah. We appreciate you for that.
Oh, it's lost. Yay, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, it's good lighting too, yes. 1, 2, 3. Keep smiling, keep smiling. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh my god, perfect.
Oh,
That's wonderful.
Oh. Plate number 3. Here we go. Travel plates. We have these try this pizza.
There's a lot of peanut butter.
There's a lot of peanut butter.
Yeah.
That's like Nutella.
You got me.
Oh my. Oh, Goofy. Oh yeah, no, you.
No. Of course it's you. We know it's you.
You're always
you
the
run
one.
this entire thing. Yes. Right?
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Oh, see,
You're right. You're right.
He's a good guy. He knows. He knows. He gets it. He gets it. We love you so much.
Oh, probably the best interaction of the night.
Yeah. He's not here today. He's also not here today. But isn't he cute? He's wearing his Pilates gear. Hiya. Turn the loves you down.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Love it. Yeah, so strong. Hello. Oh, that's so funny.
There you are. That's awesome. Chip and Clarabelle springtime. Yes. Woo! Yes.
Oh, you're looking so good.
It follows you.
It's a bee. So strong.
And he's strong too.
So strong.
Dale did that too. Are you stronger than Dale? Yeah.
You're stronger than, yeah,
too.
I think so too.
Uh-huh.
I think so too.
Pump that iron. Get it. Get it.
Yeah.
Dang.
So much better. So much better. So handsome. That was a ton of fun. Definitely recommend that place. A lot of great character interactions in there as well. Good food. I had a ton of fun. Megan, did you have fun?
I had so much fun.
was-
Character interactions were fabulous.
My cheeks are hurting from smiling and laughing.
That's so hard. That was so cute. Oh my God.
Oh, definitely want to go back. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.